Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's session. My name is Daniela Negrin. I'm the product manager and team leader for Panduit at Solution Box. And today I will guide you through Panduit's complete portfolio of fiber optic solutions designed for high density and high performance networks. Let me begin with why fiber optics are so important today. Across industries, we see exponential growth in connected devices, cloud workloads, and bandwidth-intensive applications. This situation demands and requires faster and more reliable and scalable physical infrastructure. And that's why fiber optics deliver exactly that: long distance, low loss, and high capacity connectivity. Panduit is a global leader in this space, offering end-to-end fiber optics solution deployed in data centers, enterprise buildings, campus network, telecommunications providers, industrial and hard environment. And by the end of this presentation, you'll understand how Panduit supports modern networks from physical connectivity to cable management and advanced modular system. Let's start with fiber optic connectivity, the foundation of any optical network. Panduit offers a wide range of industry standard connectors. LC, which is the most common for high density applications. SC, still widely used in enterprise networks. ST, typically for legacy or industrial environments. MPO and MTP, essential for scalable 40, 100, and 400G architectures. Panduit also include a full selection of adapters, couplers, and pigtails to simplify terminations and installations. And also Panduit termination kits and tools ensure consistent quality in the field, minimizing insertion loss and installations error. The Panduit portfolio covers every network requirement. This is an examples of what kind of cabling they have. They have single mode OS1, OS2 for long distance high bandwidth application. They have the multi-mode OM1 to OM5 supporting short distance connectivity all the way up to high performance wideband system. They also offer pre-terminated solution for fast deployment and reduce labor, indoor-outdoor and indoor-outdoor cable construction, armor fiber, ideal for environments requiring additional mechanical protection. And these options help match performance, cost, and environmental needs. Panduit provides a complete range of patch cores and jumpers designed for low insertion loss and excellent return loss. They follow a strict color coding standards to simplify identification and maintenance. Customers can select based on connector type, LCSC, MPO, MTP, fiber category, OS2, OM3, OM3, OM4, OM5, length, jacket material, and polarity. These cores are optimized for high-density switching environments, especially in modern data centers. One of Panduit's biggest advantage is their modular fiber ecosystem. One of key components include MPO, MTP cassettes for quick plug and play deployment, patch panels such as FAP, QuickNet, and the high-density HD Flex platform, scalable modules for 10G, 40G, and 100G, and 400G. This modular system reduces installation time, improve accessibility, and support long-term scalability. HD Flex, in particular, increases port density significantly while maintaining excellent cable management. Fiber performance depends on proper handling. That's why Panduit includes splice, trace, and protection components, organizers, routing, accessories, and throughs, bend radius protection, and slack management. Together, they ensure long-term performance and prevent physical stress on fiber standard, which can lead to signal degradation. Now let's review some Panduit's flagship fiber solution. HD Flex is a high-density modular platform allowing efficiency patching, excellent accessibility, and simplified migration as speed requirements increase. They also have QuickNet, which is a factory pre-terminated fiber system that significantly reduces installation time and eliminates termination errors on site. Opticam, Panduit's tool-free field termination system that guarantees consistent connector performance, ideal for quick repairs or installation. And Signature Core Fiber is an ultra-low loss fiber designed for long-term, ensuring maximum performance and minimum signal loss. Each of these solutions helps organizations deploy network faster, cleaner, and with greater long-term flexibility. Why choose Panduit fiber optic solutions? When we compare fiber solutions in the market, Panduit stands out due to high density design that maximize rack space, future readiness, supporting up to 400G and beyond, fast deployment thanks to modular and pre-terminated system, full compatibility with our copper power rack and cable management ecosystem. And this enables customers to build networks that support current needs while remaining fully scalable. Panduit fiber solutions deliver value across many environments, lift, spine, or top of rack data centers where density, speed, and cable routing are critical. Campus and enterprise network requiring high reliability, telecom infrastructure where long distance performance is a key, and industrial environments with armored or ruggedized fiber options. These applications demonstrate that Panduit's versatility across industries. All Panduit fiber systems comply with major global standards, the ANSI and TIA, ISO, IEC, IEEE for Ethernet speeds up to 400G. These solutions also undergo extensive testing to guarantee insertion loss, return loss, and optical performance, providing long-term reliability. To support the customers that wants to go with the fiber optic solutions, Panduit also offers network design and consulting, training programs online and in person, certified installation partners, and enable extended warranties. And this altogether ensures customers to receive not only high quality product, but also complete technical support. Thank you all for your attention. Panduit's fiber optic ecosystem is designed to deliver performance, scalability, and reliability suitable for today and tomorrow's network. And now I'd be happy to take any question that you have. And if you need any information about our stock or how can you get this product for Panduit, or you need the part number or portfolio for these solutions, just let me know. I'm gonna link my email on the chat so everyone can reach out to me whenever you have any question. Yeah, we work with resellers, we work with integrators, and also end customer if is the case. We are a distributor, an official distributor for Panduit. We are not Panduit, and we have the freedom to register projects with them to get the special prices, and we also have some stock available in Miami. But otherwise, if we don't have the material in stock, we always can do a back order to Pounded, and usually takes like the ETA is like 2 to 3 weeks, so we can work with that. I leave you guys my email on the chat. Please feel free to reach out if you have any other question or if you need any other information about Panduit. This presentation was specifically about fiber optic solution on Pounded, but um, I don't know if you know the brand. The brands also cover all the solution in copper system with Netkey, which is the lowest price that Panduit has on their portfolio, and that's basically the most stock that we have in Miami. So saying that, thank you all for joining this session, and we meet in the next one. Thank you, everyone.